Why I need to make money in my sleep? Man, these hotels are expensive. My mortgage for these 5 deals are $4 million a year. That comes out to be $350,000 a month, $11,000 a day, and just shy of $500 an hour, like for 24 hours. So that's why I need to make money in my sleep. Like, these deals continue to operate 24/7, whether I'm awake or asleep. Different signs up at my Hampton Inn because it was a brand requirement. We put this mid-race sign right at the front of the building. I had to put another gateway sign at the front of the building. I had to put 2 more at the porte cochere, which is actually French for carport. And then I actually had to put another one at the highway. Look, now I really like the highway sign because when it's dark and people are traveling, they don't know where to pull over at. Well, they see that sign and they pull right over. That sign is responsible for at least 5 people pulling in a night at $125 a night, which is $600 a day, $18,000 a month, and what? Over $200,000 a year. That created over $800,000 in value because we'll net $60,000. So look, do I think signs are expensive? Nah, they're pretty affordable because it created more value.
Myron Golden here. I am so looking forward to seeing you at the Big Deal Summit right here in Tampa, Florida, June 19th through the 21st. None other than Mike Ely himself, the king of investing in apartment buildings and hotels, myself, and Robert G. Allen, Mr. Nothing Down himself. Come to the Big Deal Summit where you can learn how to turn your cash into cash flow, your cash flow into cash, and have tax-free cash flow at the Big Deal Summit with me, Mike Ely, Robert G. Allen. I'm looking forward to seeing you at the Big Deal Summit. Let's go.
All right, so we got Jeff and his crew in here. What we had to do is we're doing these brand requirements. One of the things where we had to change the thermostat to be hardwired from there. So like right now when they come in, if they want to control the P-TEC, the HVAC unit, they got to go and touch it manually there, whereas the requirement is to put it on the wall. So now, but during the renovations, nobody wired the damn thing up. So now they got to pull the baseboard, as you see right here, they got to pull the baseboard, run a wire all the way around and terminate in that P-TEC unit. Now, fortunately for this one, the wire was actually there.
Nice.
So all they had to do was come up and tie it up to there. They put the thermostat in. We were lucky here. Hopefully we can be lucky in, 14 more units? Okay, 85 more units.
Whoever here has the problem.
Oh, so the units got the problem. So you pull, I got you.
So right here's the wire, and then you had to bring down a brown wire.
I got you.
All the way
and
up.
This, so that way
we can hook to it.
Oh, and this is just glued on?
Yeah, so what we're doing is we're just slowly going in with this.
But this one actually had a wire going to it already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this one had a wire going.
All right, so that wasn't bad.
It's the only one on this floor.
That was good.
Yeah. So
God is good. So this is a brand requirement. Like initially what people do, they'll come right here and just really control the P-TEC or the HVAC unit, the heat from right here. Well, the brand says, look, man, you can't do that. They need to be able to touch it from right here. I don't know what the damn difference is. You gotta go somewhere and touch a button. So, $7,500 to put a thermostat, to pull the panel, the baseboards off, to reconnect the pigtails. I mean, you got $250 a unit, and so you got 10 units, that's $2,500, is that right? And then you got 30 of them. Jeff's gonna be nice. He won't ram it in us. He won't P. Diddy us. What's it like to own a hotel? Well, depending on the rate you charge. It could be like owning a brothel and being next to New Jack City. Or if you got the right rates, it could be creating emotional, memorable moments for people. Like overall, owning a hotel is pretty amazing because we create, like the hospitality industry is all about service, and we're providing service for multiple people. We're helping them create memorable nights. I'm employing families. We take care of investors that generate money. So because of that, we're getting great returns. Like those are some of the great things about owning a hotel. And quite frankly, owning a hotel is kind of sexy.